Welcome back to Taste Like Disney. I'm Joey. This is my producer, editor, and also my dog, Sophie, and that is Fred. Like I said, Sophie is my producer and editor, so as you watch this video, if you see any text going across the bottom of the screen, sometimes the top of the screen, those come from Sophie, and they're mostly making fun of me. She likes to do that as she edits. So yeah, she does. She gets in some pretty good ones, I gotta admit. Alrighty, so today's exciting. It's Easter week, and I wanted to have a egg coloring kit battle. An egg, with two different ones. And last year I did one. I did the Mandalorian egg coloring kit versus Frozen egg coloring kit. I believe Frozen won. The issue this year is I could not find any Disney themed egg coloring kits. It drove me crazy. I looked online. I went to like 4 different stores. So I don't know if you've seen any, let me know. I couldn't find them. So today, or this year, the egg coloring kit competition, I should say, is going to be between the classics. You got PAAS, your classic egg coloring kit. This is the one that I use most of the time, or I have, for years. And we're gonna pair that against Dudley's. Is it Dudley's or Dudley? Dudley's, yes. Dudley's, and I haven't used Dudley's in a long time, so we'll see which one's better. This should be fun. Like I said, I wanted to do a Disney one, but that's okay. These are two of the classic egg coloring kit companies, so this competition should be fantastic. So let's get started. All right, so here we go. PAAS against Dudley. So I'll go ahead and open these up and see exactly what's inside. Obviously the cups, which is great, so you don't have to dirty your own cup. It's got those little egg holder things that I sometimes use. Not always. You're supposed to bend them like this and dip them in like that. Here's our tablets. And then you can write on the eggs with something, with this, and it'll show up. I don't know if I'll do that. I might skip that. All right, and then Dudley's. Now these, these are a little different because it says instant color, no dissolve time needed. So, oh, I see. The tablets usually take a few minutes. So we'll see. Well, once we get going here, we'll see what happens. Oh, I can't believe I opened that so easily. Oh, I see. So these are like little... Oh, the color's on the bottom. It's just in the cup already. Interesting. Okay, and they have the same... Theirs looks a little different, but it's the same idea. I guess you would do it like this, I guess. Oh, like that. So, all right. Well, and they have the magic crayon too, which I probably won't use. Okay, well, let's get this all out and we'll see what we got. So I will say that I like the Dudley bunny better than the PAAS bunny. They changed the look of the PAAS bunny, and I'll show you that in a minute, but we'll do the Dudley first, and even Dudley has a girlfriend there with him, it looks like. So, all right, so, okay, so as we do, so we will add half a cup of warm water to each coloring cup, and then add 3 tablespoons of white vinegar to each cup, except for the pink, where you use water only. All right, let's do that. There we have it. So right off the bat, I'm noticing something strange. So I said not to put vinegar in the pink cup, which I did not, but it doesn't seem to be dissolving very well like the other ones. So I guess we'll see what happens. The pink one might not turn out. All right, it says no dissolve time needed on these, on the Dudley one, so we will go ahead and start coloring our eggs. And I'll be shocked if that pink one actually colors the egg pink. That was a long pause for no reason at all, right? And I actually broke one of these, so we'll just do 5 of each. And I can, you know what, I can cut into this after and see if I boiled it perfectly. Okay, and while those sit in the water, I will do the PAAS. But yeah, I want to show you. See, the bunny is different. I wish I had an old one to show you, but the bunny, to me, it's not as cute as the old bunny. Still cute, but not as cute as the old bunny. So Dudley wins that. Okay, so this one, you have these tablets. We're gonna put a tablet in each one. Then you add vinegar to the fill line, and then you wait till that dissolves. You can stir it, and then you add room temperature water to the second fill line. So these are nice because they have fill lines. And it tells you to put the egg in with the dipper, but I'm not gonna do. I'm just gonna pop them in and then take each one out. So, all right, well, let's do it. So I will say it is very hard to see these fill lines. So I can kind of see it now. Oh, okay. So vinegar, the first fill line. That's pretty good. All right, so the tablets are mostly dissolved. So then, if I can see it, I'm going to add water to the second fill line of each of these. And I can't see it. I think I need to do this in the light. Oh, it's right there, but man, that's hard to see. All right, try to do this without spilling. Okay, so you do that with each cup. All right, so I'll gently drop the eggs into the PAAS coloring cup. Now, they say to do theirs for 5 minutes. So that's what we'll do. And I'll just do 5 of these too. All right, now while we're waiting on those, I'm gonna cut into this egg to see how well I boil it. So what I do is I fill a pan with water, you put your eggs in, then you bring it to a boil, shut off your heat, cover it, let it sit for 15 minutes, and then put it right into an ice bath, or just really cold. Running water will also work. Okay, so let's see how it worked out. So it should be yellow inside. If it's not yellow, I failed. There shouldn't be anything on the outer. It's pretty good, not perfect. There's a little, it's kind of dark on the outside there, but not bad. Okay, so I usually leave these in longer than 5 minutes. Sometimes I'll leave them in for 25 minutes, sometimes an hour. What the heck? And I'll tell you what, I can already tell these Dudleys back here are not doing anything. The eggs look like they're completely white, so this might be an epic fail for the Dudleys. Okay, so let's take these out because it's been 5 minutes. I just want to do it like the box says. That looks pretty good, wow. All right, we'll transfer them to here, let them dry. Got a blue one here. Wow, looks pretty good. All right, there we have our PAAS eggs. It looks pretty good. Like I said, I usually leave them in a lot longer than that, but those look pretty good. I don't know, I might leave the Dudleys in for a little bit longer, but I'm not liking what I'm seeing from those over there. All right, so it's time to take the PAAS. I'm sorry. It's time to take the Dudley's eggs out, but I'm telling you what, I mean, these aren't even, I mean, I guess they're a little colored. You could leave them in a lot longer, but you go ahead and take them out. What in the world? I guess that's sort of orange. Oh, wow. That's kind of cool. I guess if you're going for a pastel color, maybe, because you know it is a little lighter. So I mean, I don't know. Once they dry, they might be okay. So we'll see. Okay, so there's the Dudley eggs. Very, very light, and the pink didn't really do anything. I can see the other ones though. Now that you know that when they dry, they definitely have color. They're just not as dark as the PAAS. So I guess it just depends on what kind you like. If you like them dark, if you like them light, or more of a pastel. Is that what you call that? I keep thinking I'm saying that wrong or something, but I think that's it. Yes, just a lighter shade. They're kind of nice though. Wow, now I don't know who I'm gonna pick. All right, well, tell you what, let me ponder this for a few minutes, and I will come right back and tell you which one I think's better. Okay, so I thought about it long and hard. Three hours. I went over all the math and everything. I have to say the winner of the 2023 Egg Decorating Kit Challenge is PAAS. The eggs were much darker, a lot more vibrant, and that only took 5 minutes, and the Dudleys were in for like 15. Now the Dudleys, it's faster to get the cups ready. All you do is pour water in and then vinegar. The PAAS, you have to, wait, did I say that wrong? The Dudley, yeah, the Dudleys are faster. The PAAS, you have to put the tablets in first, put the vinegar, make sure it's all dissolved, and then you put the water. But, I mean, it's not that big a deal. So, yeah, definitely PAAS wins for me. I said, if you like a lighter color, a pastel, if you will. I don't know why I thought I was saying that wrong. That's ridiculous. Oh my gosh, I forgot my glasses, Sophie. I forgot my glasses. Oh well. So yeah, so PAAS is the winner. That's the one I would get, unless you're in a hurry, and then get the other one. So congratulations to another fantastic Easter from PAAS. Well, that's our video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please subscribe. If you didn't enjoy it, you should also subscribe, because you can make fun of me, like Sophie does every day. She's doing it as we speak. You can also hit the like button. That really helps me out. More importantly, it helps Sophie out. You can leave a comment if there's anything you'd like to see me make or do. And you'd also hit the notification bell to know when I have new videos. That's usually 2 per week. And if you ever try something that you love and you're not sure why, chances are it tastes like Disney. Thanks for watching. And one last thing, Sophie and I would like to wish everyone a wonderful and happy Easter and a wonderful and happy spring. Right, Sophie? Wait, that's Fred. Sophie, where the heck is Sophie? Fred, where's Sophie? I get it mixed up all the time. Anyway, so I'm sure Sophie also wishes you a very happy Easter. Where in the heck did she go?